If you want to maintain your privacy while using Instacart, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the account settings or settings option and select it. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Within the account settings, scroll down to find the privacy or privacy settings section. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for an option related to online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. This may be labeled as hide online status or something similar. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the setting, ensure you save any changes made. Look for a save or confirm button at the bottom of the settings page to apply your new privacy preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Instacart, allowing you to shop with more privacy.